Hey, this is Keith from Save the Rust Motorcycles. So today, I got a few transmissions back, three, from a friend who did some horse trading with, and he took his time and rebuilt me three transmissions. Harley 45. So these are from the 40s. I don't have specific use for them exactly. This one will probably be used in our next restoration, 42. So you'll notice that the covers and the sprocket covers and the top covers, aren't perfect or nicely painted. It's because on certain models on WLCs or WLAs and 42s versus 43s, there are some color changes. Believe on some 42, 43s, the covers are white and side covers possibly. So when I gave them to him, I gave him free transmissions. I couldn't tell you where they specifically came from because as they come in, as I buy parts and I buy projects, I just kind of put them here and there. And, I couldn't remember which came from where. So anyway, I just want to talk about a little bit about finding people who do quality work. And this is what it comes down to. So, don't judge the transmissions because of the covers. The entire interior of these are completely rebuilt. So, like I say, this one's going to be used probably on our a 42 WLC. This one might be on a 43, and then this one might be just as a backup for just a road bike. And why I say that is because the case, we never vapor blasted or anything like that. Never cleaned it up crazy, and so all the covers have to be taken off. All the bullets have to be reparkerized. Same with the outer covers. Same with the fillers. All that stuff. So on the outside, they don't look like they're fully restored, but on the inside, they are. And one of the things I wanted to talk to you about with this was when you get good work done, it makes you so happy to see people who actually take their time. So here's a breakdown on each transmission. I got three of these, and it tells you exactly what's been done to the transmission, what's been replaced, what we use as far as new parts or new old stock, what used parts and the condition of those used parts, and he breaks it down all the way. So again, Gary McDonald did this for me, and exceptional work. His attention to detail is amazing. So it makes you feel good about getting the work on these old transmissions done, because a lot of people do 4-speed transmissions, but not as many people do 3-speed 45 cubic inch transmissions, and they're just a little bit they're a little bit different. So I just want to show you guys some of the stuff that he did. So when we sent him parts, I sent him some new old stock, some new parts, a bunch of used stuff. And one of the things he did for me was he took all my gears, all my shafts, all this stuff, and he marked everything that was wrong or was good with them. This one's got poor teeth. He's like, this one's serviceable, but he shows what's wrong with it. So now I have all the rest of my gears. We can look at if we're going to use them or not. And still some new old stock parts, and more new old stock parts, and some other used parts. So the transmissions, he's got all this set up on here. He tells you, and this is number 3. This one's number 2. So if we looked at number 2 transmission, he goes into depth, and created this illustration. Well, he took the illustration probably from a manual, but all that's circled is new or new old stock, and the square box stuff is used. But he notes on it, you know, so if you looked at the gearbox, he tells you about everything about it. The counter shaft, he talks about the end plays, the main shaft and clutch gear, shifter, fork, and drum, goes through it all. Then he does a summary on all the shift drum end plays, the main shaft, the third bushing, everything. Here's the Harley specs, here's the final specs, and he gives you comments, you know, tells you all about the general comments, new parts that this transmission has. So what it comes down to is I just appreciate the amount of effort and time that Gary had taken to do these transmissions and do them right. And I'm looking forward to riding these and using these transmissions for many years to come. So hopefully we can get a couple more done and, you know, for more future projects. So again, if you're going to do this, you know, if you're going to be working on old motorcycles and you find someone who does quality work, that's a big bonus nowadays, because there's less and less people who are working on this old stuff who understand it and who'll put the time and effort to do a breakdown sheet like this and tell you everything about the transmission you just got built by them. So again, thanks again, Gary. I really appreciate all the work. And this is Keith from Save to Rust Motorcycles. This is who we are. This is what we do. Keep old motorcycles on the road. Have yourself a great day.